Welcome to National Instrument webcast. I'm Yasrov, Application Engineer of National Instrument. In this opportunity, I would like to demonstrate our solution for bridge lighting controller. This webcast will be divided into three parts. First, I will introduce you into National Instruments Corporate. Second, I will give you an idea on what hardware that is used for this demo. Third, I will talk about the bridge lighting controller. National Instruments is a US-based company who deals with PC-based measurement and control for more than 30 years. Till this time, we have expanded more than 40 direct operations throughout the world. We have around 4,100 employees in corporate headquarters in Austin, Texas. And in 2008, we successfully reached $800 million for our revenue. One of our key of getting a consistent success is from virtual instrumentation platform. We are the only company who uses virtual instrumentation to solve any industrial application. In virtual instruments, we combine user-friendly software and high-performance hardware to create any customized application according to the customer needs and specification. User-friendly software gives you a lot of function to analyze and present your raw data. Meanwhile, the high-performance hardware provides high-resolution data that cover a wide range of frequency signal. After I already explained in short what NI does, now we are going to our solution on bridge lighting controller. As shown in the slide, imagine if we have to implement 10 bridge lighting for your bridge decoration, and we should be able to control the lighting sequence. And every lighting sequence contains information such as the timing, color, and the intensity of the bridge lighting. As you can see here, since we have 10 bridge lighting on the actual bridge, then this can be simulated and represented simply by using 3 color LED lights, as you see from the PCB below. The objective of bridge light controller is actually to control the cue timing and the color pattern of each light by sending red, green, and blue value to construct a color at specified time. There are 3 main parts of this demo. First is the PC is used for operator interface to control the lighting sequence. Here, user can design the color pattern and set the timing for every sequence. Second, I would like to introduce our PAC product. PAC stands for Programmable Automation Controller that combines the ruggedness and reliability of PLC with processing power and analysis capability of PC. Here we use Compact Rio. Okay, and then third, we are using 3 color LED lights to represent bridge light. Every light has red, green, and blue source to construct any kind of color. And then I'm going to the demonstration. For the first demonstration, I will show you how the software looks like. Let's look into a demonstration of bridge light controller. Bridge light controller is successfully implemented in the LabVIEW programming code. Okay, when you save your LabVIEW programming code, it will be saved in the VI, and every VI will have front panel and then block diagram. Front panel is where your user interface is located, and block diagram is your brain of the coding. Okay, so this is the block diagram. As you can see here, LabVIEW basically use a graphical programming code. What do you mean by graphical code? Graphical code means that the code here is more representable than the text-based programming, and it adopts parallel and data flow programming. Now I'm going to show how to run the application of Bridge Slide Controller. At the same time, I will explain how the program works. Okay, let's go to the front panel and then I will run this application. Okay, so for this demo purpose, I already created a file that consists of the lighting sequence. Okay, so now I will load the file. So in this demo file, I have several queue under my queue list. So every time I select the queue information will show the every information of my queue. Okay, in this queue information, it will show you about the timing of the queue and the queue name itself. Okay, and at the right side it will give you a channel information. Channel is something that represented the actual bridge lighting. So for example, we have 10 LED lights here. So the front panel will show you 10 channels as well. Channel 0 will correspond to the bridge lighting number 1. Channel 1 will correspond to the bridge lighting number 2. And then in every channel, you will have two information about the channel. First is the intensity of the channel. Second is the color pattern. Okay, so in this channel 0, the intensity is 100%, the color is red. Channel 1, intensity is 100%, the color is red, and so on. When I play the lighting sequence, the queue information will show the current sequence that being loaded. Okay, so just for your information, this actually running in the simulation mode. To run into the online or to your hardware, then you can just press online button. Okay, so this is the hardware setup for this demo purpose. As you can see here, I'm using Compact Rio, which is one of our VAC product from National Instruments, and this Compact Rio consists of analog output modules which send RGB values into the 10 bulbs on my PCB. So as you can see now, I'm playing the sequence and I put into online. So there is as you can see, the lighting sequence is following to what we designed in the simulation mode. So as you can see, the color changing at a specified time